Safety systems can't just be built once and then left alone. They require constant attention and will evolve. System administration ensures that all aspects of an operation's health and safety management system are recorded, tracked, and maintained. A record tracking system allows for statistical analysis and the identification of trends that may identify system areas in need of improvement. The purpose of regularly reviewing the health and safety management system is to make sure it is up to date and effective. A review helps to identify the strengths and weaknesses of the system. The work is always changing. New technologies and/or problems may require the company to re-examine workplace hazards, reassign responsibilities for safety, or conduct safety inspections differently. It is important that the health and safety management system adapt through continual improvement of work processes and activities. Keeping and maintaining accurate records plays a critical part in monitoring the effectiveness of the health and safety system. Examples of records that should be maintained to assist in evaluation include employee orientation and training records, hazard assessment records, worksite inspection records, incident investigation records, maintenance records, and health and safety meeting minutes. Evaluating health and safety at the workplace will indicate where changes may be required to make the system more effective. Common ways of measuring effectiveness include monitoring the number and severity or cost of injuries or illnesses and other incidents at the worksite, monitoring property and equipment damage, monitoring the preventative maintenance program, auditing the health and safety management system, and so on. There are two types of performance measures an organization can use to determine their level of health and safety performance. Leading indicators measure the activities used by the organization to reduce the likelihood of an incident. Examples of leading indicators include depth and frequency of a carrier's internal hours of service monitoring and follow-up practices, frequency of carrier's routine vehicle inspections and maintenance for those components, frequency and depth by which drivers are trained in legal weights and loading procedures. Lagging indicators analyze the frequency, severity, and type of incidents. Common types of lagging indicators include a driver was placed out of service for an hours of service violation. A roadside inspection report identified rubbing air lines and a drum brake pushrod measuring over its brake adjustment limit. A carrier is ticketed for being overweight on an axle group. Conducting regular health and safety audits, both internal and external, should also be a part of an annual evaluation system. System administration provides an evaluation of the overall effectiveness of the occupational health and safety management systems. The COR audit examines the effectiveness of an employer's monitoring of the company's health and safety management system. This includes a process for corrective actions, persons responsible and accountable, dates for completion to remedy deficiencies and address concerns, and follow-up. This also includes keeping records of lost time, medical aid and first aid injury data, and analysis of data including meetings, inspections, investigations, and training records. The auditor will verify a communication system is in place to give employees an opportunity to provide feedback on health and safety issues and attend regularly scheduled meetings to discuss current health and safety issues. It is important that everyone understands their responsibilities for workplace health and safety. Measurable goals and objectives and assigned accountability are used to drive health and safety performance.